Oh, that is way too sugary. Ooh. Ah.
I need my insulin.
Wait for it. Is he gonna go crazy? Hold on. Okay, yep, go get it.
Oh,
Go get it. I got him. Okay. What are you doing?
I just need to get my safety helmet.
Okay. Hurry up. What are you doing?
Professional, ma'am. Oh, me, sir. Marksman. Really, I never got a headshot. Ball shot. Oh, that's good.
One more. Okay. Hold on. Wait. You're getting lighter. Lighter.
Good.
Okay, he's good. Let's go back to this. Okay, hurry up.
I was a medic too.
Whoa.
You know what I did in Vietnam? I tickled until it come back.
Come on, sit down. We gotta finish our drinks.
Okay. Again,
Oh god.